The Realme GT 8 Pro, which debuted last month in China, Realme has revealed that the Realme GT 8 Pro will launch in India on November 20th. It will be available in urban blue and diary white. The Realme GT 8 Pro introduces the industry's first mechanical modular design that allows users to detach, assemble, and swap components. The camera deco module can be replaced with different shapes and finishes, giving the device multiple visual identities. GT 8 Pro is not only focusing on the looks, as it brings a capable triple camera setup headlined by a Ricoh-tuned main camera. It features a 50-megapixel Ricoh GR certified main camera with a 1/1.56-inch sensor, 7p high transmission lens, and 5-layer anti-reflective coating for cleaner, distortion-free images, and 50MP ultra-wide lens. A 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto camera sports a 2K 144Hz display with 7000 nit peak brightness and advanced eye protection features. An ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with 16GB RAM and their one gaming display chip. The device packs a 7000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging support, and bypass charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.